Okay. So have you thought about how artificial intelligence can work for you and grow your business?
Artificial intelligence is everywhere, and our newest AI generation of avatar presenters are stealing the show. From corporate presentations to sales videos to social media, our AI-created avatars are changing how we connect and engage, how we educate, and how we make customers.
With hundreds of remarkably lifelike avatar presenters in over 130 languages, we will help you reach any market.
Et vous n'avez même pas besoin de savoir parler la langue. Nous traduirons votre texte pour vous et nos avatars présentateurs le liront avec précision et des expressions faciales remarquablement réalistes.
Ready for immortality? Call us today at 239-301-8550 or click the link below for a quick meeting with our avatars. Oh, and one of our humans.